Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood application. Now step 1 is just open the Robinhood application inside your mobile phone, and once you have opened the Robinhood application inside the mobile phone, just click on the most right side the profile icon from the below right corner. And once you click on the profile icon from the most right corner, then just click on these three lines from the upper left corner. And once you click on these three lines, so you will see all these options inside the menu like rewards, security and privacy, settings and Robinhood support. Just go to the second option, which is security and privacy. Just click on it. And once you click on it, so you will be seeing this option security, and the second section is privacy. So inside the security option, the first option is create passkey, change password, device security and devices. So there is no way that you can add the two-factor authentication inside the Robinhood app, but you can just create a passkey, which is also a kind of two-factor authentication. Just click on create a passkey, and you can read the details as well. Create a passkey on your device and sync it to your iCloud account. Just click on continue, and once you click on continue, so they will like verify your face ID and link, or you can say create a passkey. As you can see, success. You can now use passkeys to log into your account. Just click on done, and that is a simple and easy process. A kind of you can say that authentication have been added to your mobile or the Robinhood application. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.